There are many important clinical trials were presented today. We had an incredible session on the latest clinical trials. So, for example, Augustus was presented, Pioneer data was presented today. We also had a tremendous session on paclitaxel controversy that's plaguing our peripheral arterial disease space. We also had several drug-eluting stent trials presented, such as latest data from the leaders. Also, data from the ROC-TRU trials are presented today. Several new innovative technologies, first-in-man data is being presented at this meeting as well. And that's somewhat of a summary of some of the interventional stuff. We also have a large general cardiology section as well as limb salvage section, and many latest drugs which are in development now, such as factor 11 inhibitors. They were presented. So a lot of exciting new data that came out this year at this meeting. I think it's been a journey of 15 years. The meeting started with an idea that we create something very special and unique, which fills the gap between the science that's being produced by the pioneers in the field and the lack of application of that science into the clinical practice. So a meeting is always try to address that, and we believe that every different geography has certain skills which has advanced beyond other geographies, and trying to bring some of these geographies together leads to a good scientific exchange, and that improves the patient care. So it's always been our focus that we involve several different countries. This year we have over 40 countries represented in this meeting, and almost all the KOLs from different geographies are here, and not just in the coronary space, also in the vascular space, in general cardiology space, electrophysiology space, and structural physicians are here. So that's been the premise of the meeting, and I'm very happy that this effort has succeeded. We have had the highest number of delegates this year in last 15 years, so I cannot be more happier. So we have, this year we have over 17 live sites, from across the world in different space. We have live sites which specifically focuses on coronary PCI, then others focus on structural. Then we have a dedicated endovascular live sites, and that's multidisciplinary. Some of the interventional radiologists are doing procedures as well as vascular surgeons. So it's a pretty broad sample of different disciplines doing similar work, but in a slightly different way, and demonstrating how to best achieve what we are trying to achieve in both either coronary or vascular circulation.